Hello, my name's Lauren Cahalan, and I'm talking today about Mycelium Mysteries. It's a women's mushroom retreat that's coming up, hosted by Midwest Women's Herbal. It's going to be in Almond, Wisconsin, October 6th through 8th, 2017. And it's a new, exciting event for us to be hosting, so I wanted to chat a little bit about shrooms and about Women's Herbal's story. This retreat's going to include workshops on wild mushroom gathering and identification, fungal ecology, mushroom medicine and nutrition, ethnomycology, and women's roles in the history of fungi, mushroom arts and crafts, and more. There's going to be a marketplace, evening activities, opportunities for networking and conversation. It begins with an opening circle on Friday afternoon and ends with a closing circle on Sunday afternoon. And it takes place at the beautiful Camp Helen Brockman. It's going to be a wonderful setting. Midwest Women's Herbal was started in 2012 by herbalist and community organizer Linda Conroy. And it started with just one person, but since then the organizing team has blossomed into this little collaborative leadership, nonviolent communication, co-created, wonderful thing. I just joined the team last spring in time for the June conference. The Wise Woman tradition is at the root, so to speak, of everything that we're trying to do, creating conferences and providing herbal education. The Wise Woman tradition is the oldest tradition of healing, one that's rarely recognized. It's about nourishing the best in us. I'm going to read a couple of quotes. I'm going to start with a quote from Susan Weed. "Purge that which is bad, and you inevitably weaken yourself and make yourself less whole. But nourish the best, and the least falls away. Focus on what is optimally functional, and what is not working will change." And this is from our website. Herbalist Susan Weed's extensive writings on this tradition is a portal into health, healing, and wholeness. The Wise Woman tradition of our foremothers invites compassion, simple ritual, and local herbs and food for healing and nourishment. Flexibility, being grounded in the cycles of life, death, and rebirth, and remaining open to transformation are valued in this tradition. Midwest Women's Herbal offers opportunities to explore this tradition of healing while finding creative ways to incorporate and weave it into our modern lives. For more information, you can see Susan Weed's book, Healing Wise, and visit her website to read more about the three traditions of healing. And now, what is Mycelium Mysteries? It is a women's mushroom retreat in a male-dominated field, and the only one according to our presenters. And now, a quote about fungus. "Silently shaping the soil beneath our feet, fungi are key players in the health of Earth and trajectory of human culture around the globe. Still, we find ourselves in a time where the study of fungi is considered to be a neglected megascience, their mycelium, a mystery. It is our goal to help modern women connect with the roles and wisdom of our female ancestors who always maintained and shared their visceral understanding of the fungal queendom." This weekend-long women's retreat will focus on understanding fungi as the grandmothers of our ecosystems. Workshops will be offered at the beginner through advanced levels and include topics in wild mushroom skills, fungal ecology, fungi and human health, and ethnomycology. This is a place to share knowledge and get comfortable with using our mycological skills in a supportive fungal community. Or is it a fungal community? This is our first mushroom event, and the story of how it came to be is basically that women kept asking about mushrooms at the conferences, and it was Linda's idea to have it as our fall event when she and everybody else saw so many mushrooms at last fall's retreat. So it's going to be a beautiful place. We're going to be able to do some of our own foraging, and I've been studying herbs for 5 years and haven't gotten too much into fungus yet, so I'm excited. The presenters are so cool. I can't go read everybody's bio right now, but I encourage you to go to Midwest Women's Herbal and read about them, midwestwomensherbal.com. We learned on our recent presenter conference call that mushroom women are wise women. They understand and demonstrated the village mentality, a lot of nourishing approaches. The responsible wildcrafting is important to them, and they're all excited to learn from and with each other. They are doctors, farmers, mushroom cultivators, authors, ecologists, biologists, researchers, healers, and community leaders. Mary Scott is going to be teaching the pre-conference workshop, which is October 5th and 6th, about dyeing fibers with mushrooms. Some of the other people are going to be Eugenia Bone, the author of Mycophilia, Dr. Cornelia Cho, and Barbara Ching of the North American Mycological Association. And that's just a short smattering of the people. There's a lot of really cool women coming. Some of the specific workshops are dyeing fiber with mushrooms, as I said, pre-conference workshop, so register for that separately. Forays, we're going to go meet the mushrooms where they live. ID workshops to learn to safely and respectfully harvest. Mushrooms as medicine for immune and psychological health. We're going to learn about ecosystems and mycoremediation. Look, even if you don't like eating mushrooms, you can still find a lot of useful things that are mushroom. We're going to encounter mushrooms through drawing or photography, and there are going to be workshops for all levels. I've been learning about herbs for a couple of years, but mushrooms are pretty new to me, but there are going to be advanced and intermediate workshops as well. So in closing, if you want to register or find out anything else about Midwest Women's Herbal and to register for this retreat, go to midwestwomensherbal.com. You can also find information about our conference coming up in June 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Isla Burgess and Dr. Jody Know will be there. Information about the 3-day immersions is available, but you're going to have more information and be able to register in December. So subscribe for updates. Get the updates. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you to Mason for having us showcase our retreat that we're getting so amped up for, and we really hope to see you there. I'm getting excited for everything I'm going to learn and working with this cool team of people that I haven't seen in a few months, and love and fungus for everybody. This is Lauren Plants Pants Cahalan. Green blessings.